Welcome, gamers! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Fortnite and how to play it on your school Chromebook in 2025. First, let's understand the limitations of Chromebooks when it comes to gaming. They may not have the power of gaming PCs, but don't worry, we have solutions. One of the best options to play Fortnite on a Chromebook is through cloud gaming services. These services stream the game directly to your device. Let's set up your cloud gaming account. Follow these simple steps to get started. To get the best performance, we'll need to tweak some settings on your Chromebook. Let's make those adjustments. Considering using a VPN? Here are the pros and cons specifically for gaming on Chromebooks. A stable internet connection is crucial. Here are some tips to ensure your gameplay isn't interrupted. Running into problems? Here's how to troubleshoot some common issues with playing Fortnite on your Chromebook. Finally, let's look at tips that can enhance your Fortnite experience on a Chromebook. Let's make gaming even more fun. And that's it. Now you know how to unlock the fun of Fortnite on your school Chromebook. Happy gaming!